If you use this strategy that I'm about to show you today, I guarantee you in the next 60 days, you're going to quit your job. Those of you doing 5 jobs, 6 jobs, 7 jobs, 4 jobs, in the next 60 days, you're going to quit your job. You're going to focus on this forex market if you follow this strategy that I'm about to show you. Now, what is this strategy? It's called London session. London session. First of all, we'll go to the indicator. Let's search for session. Session. And you want to use Los Argo session. Yes, Los Argo. And this is how your chart will look like. Now let's edit our indicator. Don't need the New York session, so we untick it. We only need the London session. So every other session, we untick them. Every other session, we untick. And OK. And this is how your chart will look like. This is how your chart will look like. Now, what is this trick or what is this strategy that we are talking about? This is the strategy. All these blue box that you see are called the London session. That is when the London session is being opened. That is what you see here. And how do we make money using the London session? All this you see are the London session. Okay, let's start from here. What you do is you will mark the high and low of the second candle. High and low of the second candle and the first candle. You mark the both side. Now you wait for the market to close either above the candle, either above the boss, or you wait for the market to close below the boss. Then you enter your trade. Now from here you can see that the price closes below our zone here. Once the price closes below the zone, what do you want to do? You want to take your sell trade. You can set your stop loss above the boss, then you target your profit. For this video, we'll be targeting just 20 pips. If 20 pips is okay to you, is fine for you, then this video belongs to you, is for you. But if 20 pips is too small for you, you need 100 pips, 200 pips, then probably this video is not big, it's not enough for you. This video belongs to those that want to target 20 pips per trade. Then this video is for you. You can decide to use $100. You can decide to use 1 lot size or 0.5 lot size to enter the market and make up to $500 per trade. Then this video is for you. From my analysis, you see that the price closes below the box, and we set our trade. We took our sell trade right here, and we're in profits. I call this blood money because you don't analyze any market, you don't set your resistance and support zone, you don't draw any trend line, or you just follow the direction of the London session market. Now let's look for another example. This is another example. This is on the 30th of October 2023. You see that the market closes above our zone right here. Now I want you to take note of something. You don't enter the trade when our candle did not close above or below. You don't enter the trade. You only enter the trade when the candle closes above or below our zone. That is when you enter the trade. You can use this strategy on any currency pairs. But the time the time that I recommend is the 15 minutes time frame. That's the time I recommend, 15 minutes time frame. Now for me, we see that the price closes above the zone. Now what do we do next? We enter the market for a buy. Buy right here. Target 20 pips as usual. Our profits. Let's go for another example. Yes, This is another example. You see that the price is our zone. The price closes above this our zone, closes above, which indicates a what? A buy. We enter the market from here. Enter the market right here, set your stop loss below, and your take profit 20 pips, and you're in profits. And I want you to take note of something, guys. This strategy, any strategy in forex trade, there is always a drawdown. There's always a drawdown. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. That's how it works. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. That is how it works, guys. So I want you to take note of that. Okay. You see that the price closes below this our zone. You see the candle. This candle closes below this zone, which indicates a sell. We sell right here. Set our stop loss above the zone and target 20 pips, and we are there. We are there. Now this is today's market. Today's market. See the price closes above, just like this. The price closes above, and the price came down. And the price came down after closing above. The price came down to hit our stop loss before going back up. So this is what I just said. Sometimes you win, sometimes you gain. That is how forex market works. But from this analysis that we've done so far, how many days? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 different days. As you can see my separator, this separator shows it separates my charts within the days. This is 1 day, 2 day, 2nd day, 4th day, 5th day. Now let's assume that within these 4 days you invested you made $100 by day. Now these 4 days gives you how much? $400. Now we lose 1 day here. We lose 1 day. So if we minus $100 from that's because of the loss that we have. Minus $100 from $400. How much is remaining? $300. That's what it made for 4 days. Tell me, guys, what job do we have out there that can give us $300? There's none. There's none. So this is a strategy that I decided to share with you guys for my today's video, for today's channel. Don't forget, this is Tony FS. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also share the video so that others out there can benefit fully from this video. Once again, this is Tony FS. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.